What's up, YouTube? Alright, so it's your boy Unknown Energy here. Sorry, I had to clear my throat. Just got done going to my local card shop here, Big League. Shout out. Look at this, boy. Just gonna do a quick black white next Destiny's pack opening. Look at that Zekrom. Beautiful pack. Show you guys a little bit of this. Got some Team Rockets. Currently collecting the set. All non-hollows. Dark Hypno. Got a Gyarados. Call him Mr. Gary. Dark Golbat. Dark Doug Trio. Dark Arbok. Dark Alakazam. And then look what's underneath. What we're about to get into. Alright, here we go. Let's see what we can do here. Alright. Here's a code card for anybody that cares. There we go. I think it's 3. The front. Let's get in this. Hippo Don John, Lampet, Light Me Up, Get Lit, Pokemon Center, Mienfoo, got a Staryu, Hippopotamus, that's a funny name, Shinx, Riolu. Alright, our reverse is a Heavy Ball, and got a Hollow Luxray for our pool. Nothing too crazy, but hey, it's a hollow, we'll go down.